Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. This video is regarding Canvas product enhancement. In previous version release we introduced Canvas product. In this release we are enhancing Canvas product with two new type. First, multiple canvas, a wall canvas which is a set of multiple canvases with different photos. Second, split canvas, a wall canvas that has multiple canvases but only a single photo is spread, laid, over all the multiple canvases. Let's see how multiple canvas and split canvas looks at front end, and then we will see how to configure in admin. So here we are opening split canvas. As it will open, it will show different layout to select, and it works in same way for both split and multiple canvases. For split canvas there is only one photo can be uploaded, and for multiple canvas customer can upload multiple photos. From additional options, customer can select border thickness, edge design, image effect and frame type. Now we have open multiple canvas which looks like this with different photos. Click on preview button, it has different preview options as well. Now let's see how to set up this in admin. We are considering that you are aware how to set up Canvas product. Here we are just describing the additional setup for split and multiple canvas. If you are not aware, please watch our previous video of Canvas product. Here in product type you need to select canvas, and under product subtype you need to select either multiple or split canvas. Then, directly come to the Canvas tab. Here we have given wall configuration for split and multiple canvas, where admin can put title, width, and height of wall, and number of canvases with different sizes. Let's see how to set it up. Here admin can define title, height, and width of the wall. And below admin can give the size and number of the photos or layouts. Through this wall configuration setting, admin can create multiple layouts under template section. Let's see how to create layouts. For that please go to template, then product template, and then page layout. Click on add button. Under select product you will see all configuration which has been set up under wall configuration. Click on save and continue. Here you can adjust the layouts. After placing order, it will be visible like this in admin under list order. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@onprintshop.com. Thank you.